Robin Prothro says her struggle with depression began back in college.
I did say to my mother, I think I need to see a psychiatrist. And she said, no, you're okay. So I let it go, and I didn't see one for a long time.
When Robin finally did seek help nearly 2 decades later, she was diagnosed with major depressive disorder. And for 2 more decades, she tried medication after medication.
They would keep me from being horribly depressed, but they never worked completely to make that feeling of depression really go away.
Then 2 years ago, Robin heard about a clinical trial for a new drug called ketamine. It's the chemical cousin of ketamine, a powerful anesthetic medication perhaps best known as a club drug. Over the last few years, some doctors have been using ketamine off-label to treat the most stubborn cases of depression. Now they have an FDA-approved drug to do the same.
It's for this about 1/3 of people who don't seem to respond to the existing treatment.
Dr. Husseini Manji is the global therapeutic head for neuroscience at Janssen Pharmaceuticals, the makers of ketamine.
All our previous antidepressants work by serotonin or norepinephrine. This mechanism is completely novel. It works on the NMDA receptor and turns on what we think are some long-term synaptic changes.
Ketamine is a nasal spray, which has to be administered in a doctor's office. Side effects include dizziness, nausea, dissociation, this feeling of being temporarily disconnected from your body and your mind. Critics worry about the safety of this new drug, its potential for abuse, and they want more research. But for Robin, ketamine worked almost immediately, and she continues to take it every other week.
It's really interesting to come from a place of being depressed for so long and so many years to not being depressed at all. And to not feeling that feels really great.